Okay, so let's talk about step one, digitizing our data. You should type all your data into a Google spreadsheet. All right, so you guys can do that by typing in sheets into a Google search engine and it should pop right up, or going to your drive and going to new, and then you can pick from this menu a Google Sheet. Once you do that, right here at the top, you should go ahead and label what your two categories are. So I'm using some old data. Right here I've got which period students were in and how many Facebook friends that they had. Now that's my data that I'm going to be working with. What the first person responded should go right there, and then what they responded to the next question should go right there. Okay, so for every single one of these, they should be identifying what they responded for the categorical and what they responded for the numerical data. You should have 2 columns and 2 columns only to show all of this data. Okay, once you've got that in, next thing we're going to do is to sort it. So right now you'll notice it goes 1A, then 3A, and then 4A, and then 1A. It's bouncing all over the place. I'm going to select both columns. I'm not selecting the words at the top, notice, but I am going to select all the numbers. And once I've selected all of them, I'm going to Once I've selected all the numbers, come up here to data, and we're going to choose this option, sort range. Now, all of my categorical data is in column A, so I'm going to select column A. If you put your categorical data into B, then you will select B. I'm just going to go ahead and hit sort here. And great, I've got it now broken up. You guys will see all the 3A's are together, the 1A's, and the 4A's are all together. At this point, we'll do more of this later. Go ahead and right-click above each section, and what we're going to do is just leave a little bit of a blank. So here was the ending of my 1A and the beginning of my 3A, just leaving a blank row right there. And you'll see why we do that a little bit later. So right above the 4A, once again, I'm going to insert one row above. All right. And if you've done that, you've digitized your data, you've organized it, and that should be sufficient to go on to step 2.